Honey-baked spiral ham, a culinary delight. Honey-baked spiral ham is a culinary masterpiece, often gracing festive tables and special occasions with its delectable flavors and eye-catching presentation. This ham variety is distinctive for its spiral cut pattern, making each slice a perfect balance of tenderness and flavor infusion. Preparation of the ham. The process begins with acquiring a pre-spiral ham, simplifying the cooking procedure. The ham is typically carefully chosen for its quality, and the spiral cut not only enhances its visual appeal, but also facilitates even cooking. Crafting the glaze. At the heart of this culinary marvel is the glaze, a tantalizing blend of honey, brown sugar, mustard, and an array of spices. This glaze is the secret sauce that transforms the ham into a succulent, caramelized delight during the cooking process. The sweet and savory notes intermingle, creating a flavor profile that is both complex and comforting. Preparing for the oven. The spiral cut ham is placed on a baking sheet, ready to absorb the rich flavors of the glaze. The glaze is generously brushed over the ham, ensuring that every crevice is